If you're an upcoming YouTuber or an upcoming creator and you're very close to monetization, you should know that it is very important for you to fill your tax info, unless when you're about to be paid, YouTube is going to remove 30% from your earnings. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fill your tax info if you're a non-US citizen. So kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. So first things first, you want to head over to your browser and visit the official AdSense website. Tap and search for AdSense, then select the first website. Now kindly sign in with the email you used in opening your AdSense account. In case you don't see the notification to add your tax info, kindly go to payment and select payment info. Now kindly scroll down and select Manage Settings. Now tap on Submit New Form to submit a new tax info. As soon as you tap on Start Form, you'll be asked to sign into your Google account to know if you're the owner of the AdSense account. So the first question they're going to ask you is if the account is an individual account or a non-individual account. So what you want to select is the individual account. For the form type, you want to select W8 pen because this is the form usually used by people that are now staying in the United States. Now, you want to select your country and make sure your name matches with the name used in opening your AdSense account. Now this is where you need to fill in your city, your postcode, and your street address. As you can see, our tax info has been approved.